guys, ang haba ng na-film ko, hindi pala naka-play ang DJI ko. So anyway, happy Tuesday to everyone. Okay. Uulitin ko pa naman yung sasabihin ko, Diyos ko po, ano ba naman yan, na-prank ko ang sarili ko. So anyway, this morning, uulitin ko ulit, this morning, galing ako sa panggabi ko, ng 16 hours ako. Like, yesterday, madalian nga yung dinner ko, ang aking lunch. Pinagluto ako ng asawa ko ng chicken, baked chicken kahapon. Yun lunch ko. Then, nag 16 hours ako. So, kaninang maga, pag uwi ko, sabi ko, parang gusto ko ng pasta. Inom lang ako tubig, Sabi ko, parang gusto ko ng pasta. Parang gusto kong kumain ng spaghetti. But how? Sabi ko ganyan, how? Wala akong maisip na pastang ano. Dumaan ako sa Sprout kasi dadaanan ko yun sa pauwi sa bahay. Saglit lang. Uuwi ako ng bahay. Tapos, uuwi ako ng bahay. Dadaan ako doon kasi titingin nga ako ng tortilla, cauliflower tortilla ko kasi I'm out. Marami dong nandun, kaya lang wala yung brand na binibili ko, wala doon. So sabi ko, naghanap-hanap pa ako, and then, I buy, ano pa ba binili ko? May mga sales sa mga steak, and then, nakita ko to. Medyo pricey siya, to be honest, mahal siya. Hindi ko alam kung $4 to o $3 ang isa ganito. Ang made siya with, ayan, nakita nyo ba? Gawa siya sa peas, lentils, and cauliflower made. And then, ayan ingredient niya, ayan So, yung carbs niya is talagang low carbs siya, di ba? Ang sugar niya is only 1 gram. Ay, nakita niyo naman, di ba? Calories niya is 200. Ayan. Ganyan. Siyempre, hindi ko naman mauubos lahat to isang kainan. Plus, pag kumain naman ako, wala naman ako ibang laman ng tiyang ko, kundi ito lang kasi once a day lang ako kumain. So anyway, natulog ako, nakahiga pa rin siya nung dumating ako. And then, naghag lang ako sa kanya, nakatulog na ako. Mostly, tinatanong niya, anong gusto mong kainin paggising mo? Or like, pipasok ka ba today? Ganyan. Mag-a-ask yan. Anong gusto mong kainin? So, hindi ko yan nasabi sa sobrang pagod ko, natulog na ako. Pagkalinis ko ng katawan, natulog na ako. Kasi super busy talaga kami sa trabaho. And then, after nun, so hindi ko na naiisip na yung nagagawa niya ako ng lunch. Nagpa-available ako, 12:30 nagising ako, nagpa-available ako. So, walang tawag ng 3 o'clock. So sabi ko, buti naman magluluto ako ng pasta. And then, gusto ko lang may shrimp na pasta. Yung a lot of garlic, olive oil shrimp lang, yung ganung tema lang, with Parmesan cheese. Yun lang yung naiisip ko. And then, umakyat pa siya sa kwarto, sa taas, hindi siya nagsabi na nagtanong, basta nagbihis siya. May pupuntahan niya at silang mag-ama. So, ngayong pagising ko, nakatulog uli ako from 1:30. Nakahiga lang kasi ako Yung nagmumuni-muni, nagre-relax. Kasi nga, ayoko pang bubangon, total wala man akong gagawin. And then, hindi niya sinabi na, I made you something, ganyan. Basta, dire-diretso lang siya na nagpalit siya ng damit niya. And then after nun, ito na nga, nakatulog uli ako until anong oras na ba? Nakatulog ako until 4 o'clock yata ako nakatulog. So, tumawag ang trabaho, sabi meron daw akong, I can come at 6:45 mamaya. Sabi ko, okay, sige, papasok ako. Total, kako naman. Off naman ako bukas, Monday. Sige, papasok ako kako. Sayang din kako. Plus, wala naman plano nga ng Sunday. Sabi ko, tama-tama, may oras pa ako. Magluluto ako ng shrimp with pasta, with ito. Nako, magugulat kayo. At ginulat niya talaga ako. Sabi ko pa naman, i-video niya yung pag magluto-luto siya kahapon. Tingnan niyo naman kung anong niluto ng asawa ko. Oh. Nilutuan niya ako ng shrimp with sardine, the pasta that I bought this morning. How sweet, 'di ba? So may pagkain na ako. So hindi na ako iniisip ko pa nga, sabi ko ano kayang kakainin ko? Tapos parang sabi ko bukas na lang ako magluluto ng pasta para take time yung pagluluto ko, ibibidyo ko, ganyan-ganyan. Alam mo yon para makita nyo. Kasi hindi lang kumot low carbs ka, hindi mo makakain yung mga gusto mong pagkain. Siguro, maswerte lang kasi nandito ako sa US, may mga option. May mga option tayo na pwede nating lutuin, di ba? Na katulad dito, pwede tayo magpasta. May mga bread na pwede kang kumain na low carbs na bread. Na as in made with, ano siya, hindi made with the regular flour. Di ba? So, nagulat ako, ginawa niya ako ng pasta, guys. With sardines pa. At nilagyan niya ng zucchini, kasi I saw the zucchini, ayun o. Nilagyan niya ng zucchini. Ang daming sauce. Yeah, so, see? Di ba ang bait ni Kano? Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo dati pa na pag alam niya na pagod ako sa trabaho, talagang nilulutuan niya ako. Hindi ko to alam na may lutong ganito, to be honest. Hindi ko siya alam. Tapos nilagyan niya ng may sardines, my God. Tapos may zucchini. Yung binili kong zucchini nung isang araw. Tapos may mushroom. O, di ba? So, hindi kailangan na yung diet ay maging boring. Siguro nagkataon lang na parehas kami mahilig kaming tawag dito. Ito yung first and last meal ko for today. Ito siya, guys, oh. 'Di ba? Sinupresa naman ako ni asawa ko. Oo. Tapos inaasar pa niya ako kasi sabi niya, tulog na ako. Nanonood siya ng TV, nanonood siya sa cellphone. Sabi ko, antok na ako. Iwa-warm ko na lang. Kasi medyo lumamig na siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya sa akin, ano daw, tawag dyan, yung nanonood daw siya. Sabi ko, patulugin mo naman ako, antok na ako. Tinarayan ko siya kanina. Ay, dapat pala pinicturan ko to, no? See, guys, hindi kailangan talaga na, boring ang diet mo. See, look at that, may magandang nangyari sa aking diet. Nakakain ko rin yung mga gusto ko in a healthy way, di ba? Sige, prepare natin ang table. So, here's our dinner. Lunch and dinner. So, behind the camera, Okos is there and he will explain kung ano ingredient. Pero for sure, may sardinas siya. Tsaka guys, here. This is a good one, right? You think it's good with low carbs? Your opinion?
It's not low carb.
Huh?
It's not low carb.
It's not low carbs?
No.
Why?
Look at the ingredients.
So I cannot have this one?
I don't know. Look at the ingredients.
Yeah, it's... my God, ang yabang-yabang ko pa. Yeah, it's cauliflower and thing.
Look at the...
What?
It's got a lot of starch in it.
Where? Akala ko pa naman okay siya. Where's the start? I didn't see any.
Carbs. Look at the grams of carbs, and that's per serving, and it's like 4 servings for the whole box.
Yeah, but this is probably one serving.
No, that's the whole box.
It's per
That
serving?
means times that by 4.
No, like this one. That's the whole thing of this, right?
Yeah.
So I'm only getting...
Oh, yeah, it's 1 serving, yeah.
So the
What you're eating right now.
So it has 200 calories, right? It's not bad, right?
Look at the carbs.
Where's the Where?
Carbohydrates, right below that.
I cannot see. It's 71 grams per net. Right? It's 71 grams. Diyos ko, parang ayaw ko pa yatang kainin.
See that? Total carbs. This section right here.
Oh yeah, total carbs is like 13%, 35 grams.
That's one serving.
Oh, that's not too bad, right?
I don't know. It depends on how much grams you're.
Well, this is the only meal I'm gonna have for today.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna have anything. So it's still good, right?
Probably.
Yeah, because it's not like I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Yeah, so tikman natin. It's good though. Why is a little bit sweeter? What did you put?
Sweet.
Like a little bit sweeter.
Tomatoes.
Oh,
The cherry tomatoes. That's
the
how I
cherry
make the
tomato.
sauce.
So ito, 35, 35, isang serving, one serving, 35 grams, ano lang to. How many carbohydrate is that for 35 grams dati? Like, how many grams, how many carbs?
It says it right there.
It's like 200 calories, that's ba?
How you like what?
Talagang, oh, medyo spicy. Why is so little bit spicy?
That's the sardines.
So I cannot have that all kasi nga. I guess it's a good carb, sa daddy. What you call, right? It's not like the, kasi hindi naman ako total no carbs. It's like low carbs. Low carbs yung akin diet.
The noodles are cooked enough.
Yeah. I'm planning just to put like olive oil and pasta and shrimp. But this one is good. You can have it to do that. It's good. You try it? You eat most of it, I can tell. You like pasta.
That's the whole. I just ate enough to make sure that the noodles were cooked all the way through because it took longer to cook the noodles than normal pasta.
Oh, mahirap daw lutuin yung pasta kasi hindi katulad ng iba. Yeah, so pati sugar niya, mababa lang yung sugar content niya. Pero masarap.
See the zucchinis in it?
I know. Thank you for putting the zucchini. Ayun. Yung carbs nga is pag kinain mo lahat to, yun ang makukuha mo ganun karami. Ay, konti lang naman to. Talagang portion lang, daddy. Ano, daddy, when you eat? Like, don't be crazy. Right? Right? I said when you're on diet, you should eat portion.
Smaller plates.
Uh-huh.
And it's not like, you know, the Mongolian noodle place. Don't try to pile up your bowl.
Kararating lang nila.
How's the shrimp?
Good. Why you didn't tell me when you get up that you make me lunch? I mean, it's a good way to eat pasta. At masarap siya, ha? In fairness. Masarap. Good job, Daddy. Thank you. Sarap. Zero cholesterol, Daddy. It says there.
Well, I did put a little bit of Parmesan cheese in it, so.
No, I mean, at least the pasta himself, you know? Basta yung, ano niya, yung calories niya is 35 grams ang ano niya, per serving. Ay, hindi ko naman. Eh, kalimitan nga itong puro veggie din yung zucchini at saka shrimp yung kinain ko. With sardines to, ha? Sayang hindi niya pinakita kung how he make the, the sauce. You should take a video, Daddy, the sauce, how you make the sauce.
Huh?
You should take a video.
Doing it on the fly, I was just throwing ingredients together. Hopefully I was gonna come out.
Hindi. Ito ang serving, busog na ako. Diba? Sarap yung shrimp, hindi overcook. Hindi ko pa bibili ako ng papakita ko sa kanya kung paano ko lutuin. Next time na lang. Pero masarap na sardinas na nilagay nyo. Guys. Alam nyo naman ako, I like shrimp. Shrimp is life for me. Sarap niyo, guys. That day I bought white egg wrap. You see in the fridge?
What?
White egg wrap.
Wrap?
Yeah, it's in there. You guys need to be careful like when you guys buying like yung mga flatbread na they said it's low carb. But meron siya ingredient na tapioca at starch. Daddy. So I'm reading all the ingredient kanina sa store. So talagang portion ng kain, hindi pwedeng. Diba? Pero ang shrimp, hindi portion sa akin. I like shrimp. Ayaw ko ginawa niyo sa shrimp. Pinang-ibabaw niyo lang yan. Harap ng luto. Good job, Daddy. Thank you. I said thank you.
I figure since you cook me dinner all the time.
You hear guys that? Nagpaparinig siya. I'll do it on your birthday. Birthday niya next year pa. So what do you want me to cook for you? A Filipino question. Ha? What do you want me to cook for you, Daddy? Nako, yun ang masakla pag nag-request. Plus na to. Hello? I said hello. Ganun sarap. Solve. Ganun lang. Hindi mo kailangan ng nakakain ka ng healthy spaghetti. Lagyan pa niyang zucchini, di ba? How many zucchini left I have? Because I'm planning to zucchini with stuffing, you know, you shred the thing. Yeah, that one. And then put some cheese, right, Daddy?
I just saw something on TikTok, so.
Isa na lang,
You did it
promise.
with the sweet potato, but you could probably do it with the zucchini.
Well, you have zucchini. I see it already.
Where you put the cheese on the thing and you put the thing on top and that crispy treat, the cheese underneath.
I see it already. It's like ground milk. It's, you marinate the ground beef on like a burger
No, I'm
style.
just talking about veggie, just the veggie.
No, this one with meat.
Like Parmesan, fresh Parmesan cheese on parchment paper, then you put the veggies on top.
Oh,
Bake it.
okay. That's it. That's my delicious dinner. Dapat bayaran nila ako dito. Ano kasi kinukommercial ko yung kanilang ano. Char-char lang. Pero masarap. Okay guys, that's it. Bye. I'm getting ready kasi papasok ako ng 7 o'clock. Almost 5 o'clock na. So I need to go shower. At least, kahapon nag-date kami sa bahay. So lakwentuhan lang kami dalawa. And today, may pasabog siya. May pasabog siya na pasta. Diba? Ay, ito lang oh, ubos na. Diba? Pang thumbnail ko yun. Kaya medyo, may ano, finish na. Okay guys, bye! Thank you for watching!